Today I'm going to talk about how to calculate your net worth. This is one of the most important things I follow. I track this on a monthly basis, and it really just helps you have a good picture of what your financial picture is. So there's positive net worth. So that is you own more than you owe, and a negative net worth is you owe more than you own. So to calculate net worth, you do net worth assets minus liabilities. Assets are things like cash, investments, property, valuables, and liabilities are like your mortgage balance, car loans, student loans, credit card balances, and other loans and debts. And when you're calculating this, especially for the mortgage balance or car balance, any of those loans, you want to figure out how much you've paid. That's basically into the principal amount. That's how much you would put in your asset side. And then what you have left to owe is on your liabilities side. So in this example, we did $250,000 of our assets minus $150,000 of liabilities, and that gives us $100,000 net worth. And why this is important, it truly shows your financial picture. It's taking things you owe and own, and it just really helps you understand where am I financially. It really helps guide decisions. And then I check this on a monthly basis. It's just something to track. I want to see this continually go up. Other people check it a few times a year, but this is an amazing thing I would start tracking as soon as you can. It really just helps you understand where you are financially. Thanks again. Like and subscribe.